ain't the same now. Been in the game now. Cardio frames now. See all the lanes, wow. Keep no fake round. This is a shakedown. Off the ropes, we keep it player. This is my playground.
What up, No Company Motors? It's the boy Way right here. We are live in Bangkok City, Thailand. I want to introduce you to my car, a 1991 Mercedes-Benz 300E. This is a car that I've always wanted ever since Nas's Street Dreams, where he's like, street dreams are made of these, ninjas pushing Beamers and 300Es. I've always wanted one ever since, and I call this one blue. I wanted something to represent New York, and Yankee blue it was, because the original came in a lighter shade of blue, but I wanted to keep it as original as possible and as classic as possible, and so it is now navy blue. It's AMG-kitted. The wheels are staggered offset, 18-inch in the front, 18-inch in the back. The engine swap, a full engine swap. The engine from Japan was from an E320. Everything was redone from the underhaul, the undercarriage. All the rust was taken out. My thing when I got this made, when I went to my boy at MVP Garage, I said, yo, I want blue to be able to run every day. So make sure you make it run every day. So here it is. And then we got the interior fully restored. Black Napa, vegan Napa leather seats. And then the dashboard is made from Alcantara. Everything is pretty much classic. We got the CD player in there. The air condition works really, really well in here. It's hot here in Thailand. And on a nice hot day, I like to spend my day in the car driving around with the air blasting and the CD player working.
The roads we keep it player, this is my playground. What is you saying now? Life's amazing now. Fucking crazy now. Since the 80s now.
Why did I choose Mercedes for the theme of the music video? I've always been a Mercedes-Benz fan. I've had a couple different models in the past, from the G-Wagon to the station wagon, 220E, and now 300E. And once Blue was music video ready, I definitely wanted to put her in a music video. And OUIll was definitely a perfect song for Blue to be in the music video. Is there a connection between hip hop and car culture? For sure. Especially this model, the W124 Benz. It came out during the late 80s, early 90s, which is like the golden era of hip hop for me. And you know, ever since seeing like Rakim on the front of the Benz with the Benzito sign, it was, you know, it was it. You know, I was definitely in love. And I feel like the W124 model was like that era where Benz was a Benz. It was gangster, it was luxury, and it was like, you know, with those two combinations, it just goes hand in hand with each other. OUIll is a Thai word, it's slang. For example, whoa, it's kind of like whoa, wow, it's like a reaction, like, oh, OUIll, them rims is crazy. OUIll. What's that? Like, it's a slang for like whoa or wow. Where did I get all the Benzes from in the music video? I gotta shout out W124 Coupe Thailand. They pulled up with over 35 Benzes, from sedans to coupes to convertibles to wagons, and we made it into like a long parade on the streets. So shout out to W124 Thailand. What got me into cars? I don't like to walk, so. All right, everybody. Thank you, No Company Motors. Shout out to Rick, shout out to Leo. Go listen to that new single, OUIll, the boy Way and Blue, signing off.